The Triumph Speed Triple is the quintessential hooligan motorbike, originating from street enthusiasts who damaged their sport bikes and, rather than repairing them correctly, removed the broken plastic, affixed handlebars, and allowed the bug-eye headlights to dangle in the wind. Triumph has accomplished the unprecedented. They have successfully reattached all those components. Triumph has modified the Speed Triple 1200 RS by using carbon fiber and plastic, installing extremely low clip-on handlebars and rear-set foot pegs, a singular round headlight, high-performance brakes, and advanced electronic suspension. Triumph designates the outcome as the Speed Triple 1200RR, which is an exceptionally formidable sport bike. Upon receiving the offer to ride one, I traveled to the vicinity of Triumph America's headquarters in Atlanta, Georgia, and took it for a test ride. The riding position on the bikini-faired 1200RR significantly differs from that of the naked 1200RS. In comparison to the RS, the clip-ons on the RR are lowered by 5.3 inches and positioned around 2 inches forward. The integration of elevated rear-set foot pegs and a 32.68-inch seat height unmistakably conveys Triumph's intentions. This motorcycle is designed with a singular emphasis, prioritizing performance over comfort. However, the quicker one travels, the more logical the riding position becomes. The bikini fairing permits some wind exposure to the chest, alleviating pressure on the wrists, while the foot pegs are positioned conveniently for cornering, and the seat height well integrates the rider triangle. Although these dimensions did not satisfy Road Dirt editor-in-chief Rob Brooks, given his lower stature, they accommodated my 6 feet 2 inches frame comfortably. The RR features 5 riding modes: rain, road, sport, track, and rider customizable. All may be modified in real time, and I generally commence evaluating a bike in the most restrictive mode, progressively advancing from there. It could have been the severe riding position associated with the heart attack, the adhesive Pirelli Diablo Supercorsa V3 tires, the race-spec Brembo Stylema calipers, the Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 electronically adjustable semi-active suspension, or the alluring bullet nose fairing. Every aspect of this bike captivated me, prompting me to pursue it, akin to requesting a dance from the most alluring woman in the room, despite her superior dancing skills, as certain possibilities present themselves just once in a lifetime.